to invest. In this video, I'll be teaching Forex trading from beginners level to advanced level. I'll be teaching you all what you need to know about the Forex market. Many of you have been hearing about Forex, but you don't know what is meant and what is the meaning of Forex and what actually Forex trading is. So in this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about the Forex market. And as time goes on, I'll be showing you live charts in the market. So when you say Forex trading, what comes in your mind? What comes in your mind when you say Forex? What comes in your mind when you say Forex? Forex. What comes in your mind? Forex simple mean foreign exchange. Forex simple mean foreign exchange. So foreign exchange is short form that you have to do is Forex. And what does it mean when they say foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is like, take it as you are in the country that you find yourself in and you are traveling to US or any country, you're traveling to any country. You need to change your local money into the country that you are going. You need to change your local money into that money before you can go. So that is how the Forex market is. It's like we are flying. Yeah, it's like we are flying from Ghana here to the US. So you have to change your cedis to the USD before you need to fly to the US. So that's basically the meaning of foreign exchange. You exchange value, exchange of currencies. That's the exchange of currencies. Exchange of currencies. So, and we have some currencies pairs. Talk about currencies pairs in currency pairs. We have Euro USD. We have GBP JPY. We have USD JPY. We have AUD USD. And there are many of them in the Forex market. There are many of them, but this is the few that I can. There are many of them in the Forex market. So the Euro USD is European currency against the United States dollar, and the GBP USD is Great British Pound against the Japanese yen, and we have the United States dollar against the Japanese yen. So these are some of the currency pairs that we have in the Forex market. So let's assume you are in euros and you want to go to America. Let's take this as an example. When you're in euros and you want to go to America, you want to go to the US, you need to sell your euros so that you get the USD, to get the American dollar. Because you are going to America, so you need to sell the euros and then get to the America. So in this case, this last year is the cross border. This last year is the cross border. So before you can leave here to this country, let me use this demonstration testing. So before you can leave here before you can leave Europe and go to United States of America, you have to change your euros to USD. So before you cross, you have to change it. So the slash here serves as the border here. So in the forex market, when you are selling, when they say sell on Euro USD, meaning you are selling your Euro USD and buying, you are selling your Euro and buying USD. So when they say sell, sell a Euro USD, basically meaning you are going to the United States. So you are selling the euro, you are selling euros, and you are buying USD. That's how it is. It's very, very simple. You are selling euros and you are buying USD. So when they say buy euros USD in the opposite direction, meaning what? Meaning you are selling what? The USD, and you are buying what? Euro. This one is like, the buying is like you are from US and you are going to the European country. You're going to the European country, the country that use euros as their currencies. When I say by, meaning you are from the United States. You are from the United States and you are going to the euros. So you buy the euro USD and you will sell you buy the euro and you sell the USD. So that's how the forex market works. And when it says sell, sell is basically, when it says sell is sell means what? Price will go down. When I say buy, means price will go up. So know the difference. Meaning this zone here, sorry, I made a mistake here. I think I made a mistake here. Selling, okay. Sorry. Okay, now buying the euro. So meaning this year, when you sell the euro USD, the value of it will come down, and when you buy when you buy, it will make it's giving dollar a strong move, that because you are going there, so the government will gain revenue. So that revenue is raising their economy. It's raising their cost. When you are selling the euros government doesn't gain it, so they are going down. And when you are buying the USD, because the government will gain revenue, so that it will go up. So this is simply means sell means price will go down, and buy means price will go up. This is a simple, and this is the basic things you need to know about forex trading. These are the basics of forex trading. The basis of forex trading. So that's how it is. So what we are going to look next is the market session. Market session is what we are going to look next. When we talk about the market session, how we have sessions, how the forex market goes. We have the London section, New York section, Tokyo section, and Sydney section. So let's guess here how the market session. Market session, we have London session. You have the New York. You have the New York session. We have Tokyo session. And we have the Sydney session. So these are the market sessions that we have in the forex market. These are the market sessions that we have in the forex market. The market session that we have in the forex market. These are some of them. So you have the London session, you have the Tokyo session, and we have Tokyo session, New York session, and Sydney session. So when we talk about the London session, the London session opens at 7 p.m. Okay, let's do this. London session opens 7 p.m. which is GMT. GMT. And close. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. and close at and close at 4 PM GMT. Cross GMT. This is the London session. This is the London session, and we have the New York. The New York session also opens at 12 p.m. It's at 12 p.m. GMT and close at 9 p.m. GMT. So for your assignment, I want you to do research for you to gain more knowledge about what you are doing, what you are learning today. For you to gain more knowledge about, I want you to go do the research about the Tokyo session and the Sydney session. So now I have shown you, I want you to go do research about it. When you set it is there, for you to gain the understanding of what we are doing here. For you to get the understanding of what we are doing. Let's talk about Forex trading. This is how Forex trading. This is how simple it is. It's not anything hard. That's though Forex market do with the psychology, risk management, and one thing I have to tell you is the Forex market when comes you will calm you down. That's it. That's how it will calm you. You may think you are a hero, but the Forex market will calm you. Forex market deals with discipline. Forex market deals with the discipline. You see, as you can see here, discipline, patience, and consistency. That's it. Discipline, patience, and consistency. You can open a market. If you don't have patience, you close the trade before the market will hit your TP. But with patience, the market always notes the market is always right. So if you do a setup and you hit your stop loss, don't say the market no. The market is always right. Meaning you have done a mistake at some place. All you have to do is figure out that mistake and correct it. That's how it is. So in today's video, you have been able to understand the basics of Forex market. These are the basics that you really need to know about the Forex market. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about the basic candlestick basics, market trends, and so on. So if you have any question, kindly ask me in the comment section and I will come and reply you there. Feel free. We are all learning. Nobody is pro. We are all learning. Feel free to tell me everything. Feel free to tell me everything. Okay. So if you have any question, feel free to tell me. So let's stay tuned. Kindly subscribe so that when I drop the next video about candlestick basis market trends, you don't miss out. Stay tuned. Thank you all. Bye bye.